Hello. After 90 days I finally have got my new iPhone 14 Pro Max 128 gigabytes of memory. Okay, let's open it and see what is inside the box, and let's try to turn it on. It is deep purple. It looks lighter in real life. In pictures on internet it's darker, but when you change your view and the angle of light, it also changes. So this is the phone, and here comes the most likable part of all of this stuff. What else we have got here? This is still iPhone Lightning cable, not Type-C yet, only from this side. And we also have got usual sticker, some instructions and warnings, and here in Eastern Europe there is still one port for SIM card, and let's try to put it in. Okay, I'm ready to put my SIM card in. I suppose in USA and probably other countries you don't have possibility to use your physical SIM card, but here in Latvia it is still like that. One physical port and one SIM port. Okay, I have put my SIM card in, and let's try to start it up. Here is my country. I will enter my PIN. Okay. So let's see if I can use my quick start or I have to do it slowly. I think I can use my iPad to start more quickly. I will use my iPad. So let's see, what should I do here? I have turned Bluetooth on, okay, and I have iOS 11 or later.
Let me know if I can help.
Okay, here it is. I can set up my new iPhone from my iPad. It is connecting now. Waiting for iPad. Oh, okay, I have to put I had to put that cloud into the camera, and now it is getting ready now. I have to use my Apple ID to set up my new iPhone. Okay, I can set it up for me or for my child. I have to write in the passcode of my iPad.
A few moments later.
Okay, it took a little bit long time to remember what is passcode and which of your passwords is the right one. It is now activating. I think I have to make my Face ID. It also asked me to use or not to use Face ID with a mask, but I didn't choose that option. Here is terms and conditions. Of course we have to agree. It is now setting up my Apple ID. Okay, now I can transfer apps, and that I have to choose the option. And I will try to transform directly from iPhone, even if it is iPad. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, I see. It is not working for iPad, so I have to do it manually, or I have to try it from backuping my iCloud. Let's see. I don't know if it is a good idea. Okay, I don't have any backups available, so I will set up as the new iPhone. Okay, it says that there is everything as I had it on my iPad. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's continue. I won't share my Apple Analytics. Standard zoom. Here is some information about new emergency SOS. I will continue and welcome. Okay. looks like I have got started here, and I need the time to set everything up. I think we will get back to it later. Thank you for watching my unboxing and startup of this new iPhone. Keep watching me, and if you are interested in my content, please subscribe.